Hello students, welcome to Syed Sunhera classroom. In this video, we will see what is the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. Okay, in quadratic polynomial. Now let's see, we will see in quadratic polynomial. Let's say, for example, I will tell you with an example, then it will be more clear for all of us. So the example is 2x square minus 8x plus 6. To know the relationship, first we need to know the zeros of a polynomial. So we will find here the zeros of the polynomial. How we can find by using the factorization method. So we are going to split these two terms into two. So minus 8x. We should split this into two terms, which if we multiply these two, then we will get this product of 6 and 2. What is the product of 6 and 6 into 2? It is the product is 6 into 2 is 12. So if we split this, when we multiply, then we need to get this 12 only. How we can write? Minus 6 minus 2. 6 2s are 12 and minus into minus plus. This is the way we will find the factorization. Now I am writing this in by splitting. 2x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 6. If we take common as 2x, then I will get x minus 3, and if I take minus 2 as common, then I'll get minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. We need to put is equal to 0. Then common x minus 3 in this equation, and I will get 2x minus 2. Now x minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will see what we will get here. X is equal to 3 and here we will get x is equal to 1. So what are the zeros of the polynomial? It is 3 and 1. 3 comma 1. Now we need to know the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So first we will write the coefficients. First we will find sum of zeros. What is the sum of zeros? 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And what are product of zeros? It is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Now I will tell you what is the relationship. Now I want to know what is the coefficients of these terms. Here it is in the form 2x square minus 8x plus 6, right? This is the equation. This is the polynomial. Here the coefficient of x square, which we will say a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 8. C is the constant, which is 6. So this is the constant. This is coefficient of x and this is 2. Now I will explain you how it works. When coming to sum of products, sum of zeros, what is the sum here? It is the sum is 4, which we can write it as minus of minus 8 divided by 2. What will you say? Here this is minus 8 is the coefficient of x and 2 is the coefficient of x square. Here we will say it as minus b by a, which is if alpha plus beta. These two are the zeros of polynomial. Let's say alpha is equals to 3, beta is equals to 1. Okay, so this is the formula. This is the relationship between zeros and coefficients. What is the relationship? The formula is minus b by a. The sum of zeros will be minus b by a, which is the coefficient of x and the coefficient of x square. Then coming to product of zeros. Product of zeros, the relationship is, what is the product of zeros? 3, right? How we can write? Constant value 6 divided by coefficient of x square. Here these both are the same values, because if we cancel 2 ones, 2 3s, I will get the same value as 3. But here we need to find the relation. Here what is the relation? It is 6 value is the constant value and 2 value is the coefficient of x square, which is c by a. So this is the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Finally, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equals to c by a. This is the main formula we are going to use in all the questions. Thank you. This is Sunehra signing off.